If you're seeing Steam error 451, don't worry. This usually means Steam is blocking access for legal or regional reasons. In simple terms, the content you're trying to open is not available in your current location, or your IP address is being flagged by a regional firewall. In today's video, I'm going to show you the quickest fixes step by step so you can get Steam working again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. First, let's talk about the most common cause, your VPN. Steam error 451 is very often triggered when a VPN places you in a country where the game or store content is restricted. For example, some games may be blocked because of local laws or region-specific regulations. So the first thing you should do is turn off your VPN completely. Don't just disconnect from a server. Make sure the VPN is fully disabled. After that, close Steam, reopen it, and try again. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your Steam store region. This is especially important if you recently moved to another country or changed your network location. Sometimes Steam still has your old region saved, and that can cause the connection handshake to fail with error 451. To fix this, open Steam and go to your account details. From there, look for the option to update your store country. Make sure the store region matches your current location and that your billing address also matches the IP address you're using right now. If those details don't line up, Steam may continue blocking access. Now, if you've already turned off your VPN and checked your store region, the next fix is to clear Steam's htmlcache folder. This is a really useful step because Steam can sometimes store stale regional cookies or old location data. If you recently traveled, changed networks, or disabled a VPN, that cache data may still be causing the problem. To do this, completely exit Steam first. The safest way is to close it from Task Manager so it's fully shut down. Then press Windows key plus R to open the run box, type %local app data %\steam and press enter. Inside that folder, find the HTML cache folder and delete it. Don't worry, this is just cache data, so it's safe to remove. Once that's done, relaunch Steam and check if the error is gone. If Steam error 451 still appears after all of that, double check that your internet connection is stable and that no other privacy tools or firewalls are interfering with Steam's regional verification. But in most cases, one of these three fixes, disabling the VPN, correcting the store region, or clearing the HTML cache folder, will solve the issue. So to recap, first, turn off your VPN completely. Second, verify your Steam store region and make sure your billing information matches your current location. Third, clear the HTML cache folder by going to your Steam local app data folder and deleting it, then relaunch Steam. These steps solve most Steam error 451 problems quickly and safely. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And if you want more Steam troubleshooting guides, make sure to stick around. I've got plenty more fixes coming up.